Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use a cache plugin. For example, when we are working on a website, then if we save our work and on the front side we see nothing changed, so that is the cache issue. So in this video we are going to discuss what is the best cache plugin that we can install and use that. Just you can go in the plugins. After that we can search for light speed. Guys, here you can see it has 4 million plus active installations and 5-star ratings. Just you can install within a single click. After that simply we need to activate this plugin and start using. So there are some other plugins for the cache. Here you can see WP Fast Test Cache and some recommends WP Rocket, but here you can see on the top it has all the options for the cache. Just you can clear these all. Just you need to click one by one, and in this way you can clear your WordPress website cache so that you can manage your website updates and you can see the work that you have done in real time. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.